To my channel. I'm here with my mom. Right now we're in the car, as you can see. It's really a dreary day, and we're on our way to a little pet shop thingy. I look so white with this. Basically what we're going to do is see if we want to adopt a new dog, and he might be a new dog in the whole competitive family house and the YouTube. It'll be the third famous dog, I guess. But yeah, we're going to meet you when you get there.
I had an albino. They're staring at you.
I just don't want him to see it. Kill me. Alright, guys.
Oh!
You can't even see through the thing.
There's another Bengal. Sleeping.
Main services, I need disinfectant, ring 3, please.
Alright, it might be a completely different day, but we were 1 minute away. And yeah, explain later. After the last scene, I basically cut from when we were going home from the expo. I met these people that wanted to get Harper, as I showed you in the other videos. And basically we were going to get him, and that's what it was. Don't mind my baby voice towards him. And that's basically what we're doing now. Cool. Don't be scared, it's okay, I'm here. With a little toy haircut.
Yeah, sure.
He's here with us right now. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
And we're gonna take him home, see what he does with the other dogs, and looks like he likes me. He was really shy when we met him. I'll say the backstory when I get home, and yeah, let's do it. His first little walk. Oh. And now it's time to meet the other dogs. Oh boy. He knows exactly where his house is already. Wow. Freezing. He is cold as hell. Where's he going?
Slowly introducing, slowly. Slowly. Just let's walk. Let's walk.
He's wagging his tail, that's a good thing. Just drank, now he's eating. First night is coming along. Give me your paw. Good boy. Give me your paw. Good boy. This is the part of the video that I'm going to do some background on this little dude. I'm going to sit down with him. He is scared of the camera, so I'm going to place it over there. And yeah, let's get to it. Well, his butt. Come on. He is actually about a year old, a little younger than that is what they're saying. His name is Harper. They're saying he's about like Max, like a toy poodle. He's really well house trained. A little background, and besides that, he is a poodle. Is where did you come from? As you can tell, he's pretty good. This is his first day here. He hasn't even been here 5 hours, but he seems pretty comfortable, which is really cool. I'm gonna show some video. Oh my god, I can't talk. I'm gonna show some video of them in the backyard, and yeah, right now we're just fostering them. But it might be it's like a foster to keep, so we might keep him. If I'm talking too loud, turn it down. I don't know how loud I'm talking. As you can see, he likes this little area. He loves the couch. He's getting along with other new dogs. Now we got Einstein, Max, and Harper. He's also going, but you can see he just walks right over you like it doesn't matter. That's basically his background. Show you more stuff about him. Finish up the vlog and wrap up this video. Einstein, in general, you know him. The star of my YouTube channel. We're going to wrap up this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm going to say a little facts and do a little slideshow picture of this dude right here. And yeah, that's about it. He's got gray ears. Oh, he's scared. Yeah, he's a little puppy, goes around everywhere. That's basically going to wrap it up. Enjoy the slideshow. Thanks all for watching. And sayonara. Oh geez, here they go again. Oh, oh, Hunter Max.